morning. Today we are at a junkyard and perfect timing. And today what I wanted to do was get one of those little door chimes from a Santa Fe. You know, the little ones that go like this. Insert audio. Yeah, just like that. So today figured out that they're actually behind this little turd. So I was gonna try to take all this out so I can access the bolt that's behind this. Or actually no, it's already out. Never mind. Look at that. Just need to get this out, and then should be able to reach the little chime on that now.
Got the kick.
And there she is. I'm covering you. My bad. And that is it. Literally, this thing is all I need. It seems to just be a 10mm and power on positive. Nice. So 10mm. I guess I could get a couple of them just in case that one doesn't work, even though it looks kind of new. Is this the right way? Donovan, what the fuck happened to your... Oh, that's right. Fuck. Tomato sauce. Tomato sauce. Just like that. Look at that. Easy access. Someone already got in here for something else. I guess I should disconnect it first. That fucking broke. What is this? Dude, this shit ain't coming out. And that broke. Do you have a knife? Nice. Yay. How you doing? Just got these two chimes. Good? Awesome. You have a good day. Better than fucking $50 for each one. Well, we're back here, but it came to my mind that I kind of need wire. I need wires to wire this up into whatever I need to wire in here. So I need wire and what are those things called? The splicers, like these. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, I need some wire and splicers to be able to really wire it up. So to Vatos on we go. My mirror. This will fit. So this has been kind of bothering me, and I need to figure out if these actually switch on and off by themselves, or I need to make a switch or something for them to activate. So I need to find Donovan's batteries, or a battery of some sort, and try to figure it out. But first, I gotta go to the bedroom. Alright, so here I have Donovan's bike battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the wires that I just bought. There's positive, or in my book, positive and negative. And then these are the little splicers that I wanted to get. So gotta get a band-aid because, you know, I'm bleeding all over the place. So. Upon further inspection, I needed a relay that could switch on and off the wiring. So I'm gonna go ahead and play with the relay that we got for free from Donovan's Durango at the junkyard. And I'm gonna blow it up. What makes it do that?
I should have got your face right here.
Get off.
No, that shit welded on there.
So we found some little capacitors that we might be able to use. Right now we're just trying to access the inside so we can be able to pull out the capacitors perfectly. Yeah, sort of. So those two right there, and then these two big ones right there is what we need, basically. Cool. So I made it work. What I ended up doing was ground positive, right? Ground is connected to that connects the module, power to the switch, and here's my chime. Alright, so I basically finished up everything. Got the capacitor here, nice and soldered up. Got the terminals, nice and soldered up. Positive right here, and negative, and then the module. So all is pretty solid. And yeah, time to install it. Hopefully tomorrow. But I gotta figure out what light or where the wire is to the light. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Alright, it's a new day. Got my little stuff right here. Walking the dog while I'm at it. And okay. Lower the window. It's alright. You wanna go for a drive today? If I get this fixed? You wanna go for a drive? Yeah? You wanna go for a drive? Alright. I'm gonna need you to hop off. Alright, so I completely forgot to record all of the stuff that I just did. But I ended up taking, of course, the mat and the seat so I can go ahead and access the wires that are right here onto my buckle. So since there's like a little clicker in there that shorts out the circuit, I was gonna short it with this, or my little module, but I'm gonna add some wire to the positive and negative so I could go ahead and route it down to the bottom and set this up somewhere behind my dashboard. So right now I'm struggling and there's so much dust in here that is making my allergies act up. So yeah, let's continue this. So after about, what was it, 4 hours, 5 hours of working, I decided to give up on this, and instead I installed a turn signal ringer. So every time the turn signals activate, it's just I don't know, I kind of like that a little more, but at the same time I'm a little stumped how I couldn't get it wired into my seatbelt. But I guess the turn signal relay didn't really do its job how I wanted it to. So I'll go ahead and just get rid of all these wires and I guess try to figure this out first before I start doing wiring some more. So what I ended up doing instead was I tapped my negative wire, in this case the positive wire, to the power, and then the lamp wire to the positive wire, which is the negative, to the fuse, or to the module itself, to the little ringer. So that way every time there's power, it turns on the lamp, which is the little ding, which now it doesn't work. Cool, something happened. Oh, awesome. Okay, well I gotta figure that out now, because now it doesn't want to ding. So after thinking that I broke it, I just needed to fully complete the splice. So, yep, there we go. That's done. I just need to bolt it up and get rid of my old chop work that I did here. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Me struggle on how to supposedly put a dinger on your seatbelt light, but I think I need to get into the wire harness itself to be able to connect it to the seatbelt light. So yeah, and I don't have the patience nor the what is it called, the mechanical that to really get in there. So I'll just leave it at that. Thank you guys for watching.